Planet Business. You must be surprised without even seeing the first slide. You are actually seeing a live dashboard. Sir talked about Facebook and Twitter and all those things. What here you are seeing on your screens is I'm doing a monitoring of 2 different parameters. They have talked about the good part of it. I'm going to talk about the little bit bad part of it, the social media monitoring. So what I've done is I've taken 2 different criteria. One is E-India. If you see this one, this portion, this is E-India. So there are who's are actually tweeting across the globe on E-India, I can actually see it here. And the second is Balasaheb Thackeray. He's critically unwell. But if you see, and I've actually done 2 types of combination here. One is Balasaheb Thackeray with the residents, Matoshri. So I've done that combination. So this one is, the top one is, top left is that one. So people who are talking about Balasaheb Thackeray, they're saying Airtel network down in Mumbai, it's because of the authorities trying to control the rumors. Balasaheb Thackeray and Matoshri, these are the 2 tags, hashtags, and hence it is showing up in my this thing. And the second, if you see a little bit down below, it's only Balasaheb Thackeray. And there is something which somebody is talking, there are some little kids in Mumbai secretly praying for Balasaheb Thackeray's demise to get a school holiday. Okay, so what I'm trying to actually see and tell everyone is social media is good. There's a lot of good work which is going in Facebook. There's a lot of good work which is going in Twitter. But there are enough number of people who are instigating the wrong emotions. For example, I read in the morning, there was one, in fact, the most intelligent of the and most dignified people also make a lot of mistakes on the social media. Digvijay Singh today actually tweeted, he is apologetic and he, on the demise of Balasaheb Thackeray, he had to correct it. And he said, okay, I'm safely praying for his recovery. So by that time, the entire tweet has gone, and imagine how many people would have reacted. So that's the power of social media. So it's something which needs to be managed, controlled. From a police standpoint, it's something which is a very important thing. And that's what I'm going to talk about in today's session. Yeah, so my session is all about social media monitoring and analytics, good or bad. People love to have freedom of speech, but yes, there needs to be some kind of a control over our emotions or activities. And that's where the police and the law enforcement come into the picture. They want to manage the social media. I'm just looking at a few more charts. So this is something, and this is from my Facebook account. So I've not gone into anybody's else. In my Facebook account, someone actually said Mecca is something which is actually a Shiv temple area. No fact, nothing. He writes something, and what I have hidden and which will not be shown here, 50,000 likes on that. So 50,000 people think it's either correct, incorrect, whatever, because there's no button in Facebook called dislike. It's only like. So that means 50,000 people got influenced by a factually incorrect data. Second, Assam riots. Everyone knows how the country went through during this Northeast riots and people fled from these places. I just did a YouTube search. 766 videos only on riots. What are we doing? We are actually trying to post videos to instigate more violence. So anti-Assam riot protest turns violent in Mumbai. Okay, so there's a video. Now again, I did a tweet. Now, if you see the second tweet, he's talking about, the gentleman is not talking about Assam riots. The very interesting thing, he's talking about Tripura riots, which never happened. So that's the interesting part of it. So that means someone is trying to actually instigate some kind of a message here. There is a Wikipedia page on Assam riots. Can you beat that? So we have gone beyond social media, but Wikipedia, which is actually a information location where you actually see most of the things, they have actually a page dedicated to 2012 Assam riots. And you know the recent anti-Islam video. Al Jazeera in their main page, and I'm not talking about social media, I'm talking about a media house now. They also keep those videos along on their pages. So what is this social intelligence environment? Actually, so what is the law enforcement worldwide trying to do? They are actually trying to anonymously scrap the social media feeds. So that means anonymously means definitely they are not going to, so it's an offensive they are launching on based on particular information about a terrorist information, drug peddling, or pornography, or child molestation. They actually scrap that information and look at that media feed. They also look at the news media, because there's a lot of news which is spread and which actually creates a lot of enthusiasm, anxiety, and reciprocation. So that's what they want to monitor the media also. So broadcast media today plays a huge role in instigating a lot of emotions. And finally is a source of repository. So there will be tons of other offline repositories which will give you that kind of information, books and everything. Another case study. See, I thought about doing a technical presentation on products and everything. Then I thought, let's not do it. I'll only stick to the presentation. Very little to do with technology and very little to do with the IBM stuff. But I thought we need to look at something which is totally different, social media monitoring. Now, this is a case study, very interesting case study. And this I was... there was one Twitter guy who actually writing about a helicopter hovering around Abbottabad at 1 a.m. It's a rare event. He tweets, okay? And the other Twitter writes, "Go away helicopter before I take out my giant sweater." Nothing wrong in this tweet. But imagine what happened after this tweet. The 6th helicopter which was taking off, it was shot. The US helicopter, which was the 6th one, it was shot immediately after this tweet message. That means people are going through the tweets, monitoring, managing, who are not the right elements in this business. So the tweets which are normal tweets, they're also looked at, and this is the kind of information